Good day. I am Rosalyn Martinez and I'm going to discuss with you my instructional material that I used in Araling Panlipunan Grade 3 about the topic ang pamahalaan sa aming bansa. Lokal na pamahalaan at ang serbisyong na ibibigay ng lokal na pamahalaan. I use Padlet as my instructional material since it is a digital bulletin board where students can post their answers in various ways, like posting paragraphs, like what you can see on the board, pictures and videos, and at the same time, the other members of the class can give reactions and positive comments. So I will show you how to click positive comments in one of the answers of my students. Just like in Facebook or Instagram, you'll just click the heart and you can also add comments. There. As you can see, Padlet integrates 21st century skills like collaboration and communication. This material will integrate these skills through reacting to the post and giving positive comments. Just like what I've shown you. Critical thinking also, where pupils will be able to analyze problems and come up with more meaningful answers. Technology literacy, where pupils are exposed to technology to understand how to use the gadget or application meaningfully. It is also considered to be as e-learning, where educational content like the Padlet is delivered to learners through computers, laptops, tablets, or smartphones. So it is accessible in any of their gadgets. What I did, I just post the link in the Google Classroom and then they go directly to and access it. The instruction is also there, but the question, I posted it also here in the Padlet. Focusing multiple intelligence like differentiated instruction and ongoing assessment and feedback or formative assessments. So this this is the output of my students during my online class. Thank you very much and have a good day.